So let's say you've heard about money market fund, or let's say you've heard about the most popular one, which is Stanbic IBTC money market fund. And of course, you want to invest in it, but the problem you're having is that you don't know your whereabouts or how to get started. And that is the reason why I'm making this video, to take you step by step, the registration aspect, how to fund, the pros and cons of funding your account, the rate, the current rate at which Stanbic IBTC is giving, and then the last but not the least, how the compounding interest of Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund works. And I'm sure you're interested. So if this is what you want to watch, I want you to do something for me. I'm not asking you to pay me for the information you are going to get. I'm simply asking you to do one thing for me. Go ahead and click the like button of this video in exchange of the value you are going to get in today's video. And I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and smash that subscription button. But hey, after smashing that subscription button, please don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. Now, with all this being said and done, I believe you've liked the video and I believe you've joined the family by smashing that subscription button. Now let's jump straight into the video. So first and foremost, you need to know what Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund is, or let's say you need to know what Money Market Fund is. So let's get into it. So in a layman's understanding, Stanbic IBTC or Money Market Fund, it means a kind of a mutual fund that helps investors like you and I to earn steady returns while keeping their money safe and have easy accessible of their money. As simple as that. Now you've known what money market fund is. Let's move over to the requirements or the documents you will be needing in order to get registered. So I'm going to be talking about I'm going to be using Stanbic IBTC for the sake of this video, right? So these are the requirements in order to register using Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund. So you are going to be needing a passport, you're going to be needing a valid ID card, you're going to be needing a utility bill that is not more than 3 months old, all right? So then you go to the bank, right? A ID card, a valid ID card, passport, and then utility bill, right? So when you get to the bank, they are going to give you a form. I've gotten mine, all right? So I'm going to also make another video after registering and investing. I'm going to make another video to show you how the investment is going, all right? But the reason why I'm making this video is to show you or to let you know the things you'll be needing or the things you need to know in order to register using Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund, all right? So you'll be needing a passport, you'll be needing a valid ID card and a utility bill. So the valid ID card you are going to be using is either voter's card, driver license, or NIN, right? Now, in case the valid ID card you are going to be making use of contains your address, be it voter's card, be it driver license, be it NIN, right? If it contains your address or if your address is written on it, then there is no need for you to get a utility bill. All right. So unless the ID card you are going to make use of does not have your address written on it, that is when you are going to be looking for utility bill that is not more than 3 months old. All right. So these are the requirements. So once you get to the bank, you'll get the form, go through it, fill it, attach your passport, submit your valid ID card. They're going to make a photocopy, and that is the requirement to get you registered. So let's say you are done with the registration and your account has been created for you. We're going to move over to how you are going to fund your account. So how do you fund your account? You have 2 ways you can be able to fund your account. The first method is transfer method. The second method is manual method. So what do I mean by transfer method? The transfer method simply means you transferring money from your normal bank account, your local bank account, to the Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund account that you've created. That is just how to fund your account using transfer method. All right. Now, the manual method is walking into the bank, getting a deposit slip, filling it, and then writing the amount you want to deposit. That is simply what the manual aspect of funding your Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund is. So these are the 2 ways: the transfer method, the manual method, right? So I'm going to let you know something about funding this Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund. All right, I've said a whole lot of things in the beginning of this video, and I'm going to still say another things or let you know so many things. But this thing I'm going to say now, if you're not going to remember every single thing I'm going to talk about in this video, I want you to remember this. There's something called third-party funding. Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund do not recognize third-party funding. And I know you are going to be asking, what do I mean by third-party funding? Then let me explain. What I mean by third-party funding is that you cannot ask your husband or your wife or your mom, your dad, your sibling to transfer money from their own accounts to your Stanbic IBTC money market fund. Or let's say you are a businessman and then at the end of the day you are with cash and then you met a POS agent and you say, hey, Oga or Madam, please carry this cash, deposit this amount of money to this particular account. Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund, they do not recognize third party. If not, you go explain, tire. You go waka, your shoe go slack. I'm joking, but this is for real. They do not recognize third party funding. So make sure you remember that so you don't tell a story that touches the heart and tickles the bonbon. So the next thing we are going to talk about is the minimum amount you can be able to deposit or invest, which is 5,000. So as you can see, anybody can actually venture into this. So when I say money market fund is a type of mutual fund that helps investors like you and I. So when I talk about investor, do not think that this is only for people that has money. All right, because there's a whole lot of stocks, a whole lot of company shares that you can buy with as little as 10 naira or 15 naira. So swear you don't have 10 naira or 15 naira, right? You have it. So anybody can be investor, right? With little amount, with as little as 1,000. But when it comes to these Stanbic IBTC money market fund, the minimum amount you can be able to invest with them is 5,000 naira. So now you've known the minimum amount you can be able to invest with Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund. We're going to move over to the duration. So let's say you've registered, you funded your account. You're going to know the duration before you can be able to request for withdrawal. So the duration is 30 days. So anything less than 30 days, they are not going to give you access to your money. Okay, you can't be able to withdraw. But once it gets to 30 days, you can be able to withdraw. Now, another thing is you either send in a huge amount of money there and leave it, let's say, for a period of time, or you send in, let's say, for example, 500,000 for the first time, and then every month you are going to be adding extra money there. Or some persons do every day, they are going to, I know someone that is sending 50,000 naira every single day. All right, so you can do the one that you think you will be able to do or afford, either daily, weekly, monthly. All right, or you just deposit a huge amount of money there and just forget about it. So these are the way you can be able to fund or do the money market fund. Right now, the interest, since you've known how much you can be able, or the limits you can be able to fund, right? So the rate at which this Stanbic IBTC money market fund is given currently, as at the time I'm making this video, is 17.17% per annum. Okay, 17.117% per annum. So let's say you deposited the sum of 1 million. All right, so at 17.17%, you are going to be getting around 14,000 something every single month. Okay, so let's say you deposited the 1 million, at the end of the month you got 14,000 something, right? So the following month you either withdraw the interest that the Stanbic IBTC money market fund yielded for you for that month. All right, is either you withdraw the money or you leave the interest. So if you are going to leave the interest, the following month they are going to be calculating your interest based on 1,014,000 something, not 1 million again. So I'm explaining how the compounding interest works. So you deposited 1 million, it stayed for 30 days. They gave you return on investment of 14,000 something, right? And you did not withdraw it. The following month, they are going to reinvest the whole money, both the 1 million and the 14,000 something, all right? So they are going to reinvest it. So the following month, they are now going to be calculating the interest based on 1,014,000, not the 1 million you deposited. So how cool is that? So this is how the compounding interest works, right? So you've known the requirements to register, you've known how to fund, you've known the pros and cons of funding, you've known the minimum amount you can be able to fund, you've known the duration, you've known the rate, right? So which other thing am I forgetting? I think I've said everything. If you think there's something I'm forgetting, do let me know in the comment section. All right. Yes. Have you registered with Stanbic IBTC for their money market fund? Let me know in the comment section. How is your own going? Or you are thinking of registering? Let me know in the comment section. And most important thing, if you have gotten to this point, let me know by clicking that like button. Yes, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you are yet up until now, join this beautiful family. I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and smash that subscription button. All right, but don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button so you always get notified anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. I don't think I still have any other thing that I'm yet to say. If you think I'm forgetting anything, just let me know in the comment section. So guys, I made a video teaching you how your money can be able to make more money for you, or how you can be able to make more money for yourself, or how you can be able to make money without bringing two persons, that will bring two persons, that will end up bringing extra two persons before you can be able to make money. Then if you're interested, I want you to click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now. Yes, go ahead and click on the video, and I'm going to see you on the other side. Keep winning. Yes, keep winning. I want you to know that I am rooting for you. Yes, keep winning, and always remember that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on this video, bye, comrade.